think you already know Canva. Most people don't. Honestly, almost everyone only uses the basic features. But Canva actually has some really powerful tools that most users never notice. These hidden features can make your designs look professional and help you work much faster. Templates are great, but after a while, you'll want to create designs that feel more unique and truly your own, not something everyone else is using. In this video, I'm going to show you some of Canva's best hidden tools that many people don't even know exist. Whether you use Canva for business, school, social media, or just for fun, these tips will seriously upgrade your design skills. Make sure you watch till the end, because the best tool is saved for last. Let's jump in. Alright, this first tool is going to allow us to turn a photo into a vector. So, let's open the Canva. I have already uploaded the image. If you didn't upload the image before, you can upload image here from Upload section, and then click on Upload Files. Now click on the image to select it, and here come up to the toolbar where it says Edit. Scroll to Apps section here, and select the App Tracer. So here are two options in it. One is black and white, and one full color, which is in beta version. The Tracer app is then going to automatically change my image into a vector element. Here I will select the black and white, and then click on Trace Image. This is the vector that it came up with based on my photo. Now I have this threshold slider which I can move to the left or right to decrease or increase the threshold. This is going to affect how my vector looks. If I increase the threshold, it's going to increase the dark space showing, and if I decrease, it's going to have more of that white space showing. So I can play around with this until I like the look of my vector. And then I can click Add to Design and continue designing with this inside my project. You'll see that now this is a vector. If you want to download it, click on Share button here on top menu, and then click on Download button. Now we will check the second option, Full Color. If I toggle off this little option that says Auto Color Numbers, it'll then bring up a slider that will allow me to choose how many colors I want to be included in this vector. So if I bring this slider down, it's going to have less and less colors, changing the look of the image. Once I'm happy with it, I can click to add it to my design. So Canva has a really cool feature that's going to allow me to use AI to fill in the rest of the space and expand my photo, so it fits the whole frame. To access this, I'm going to select my photo and come up to the little crop button, and on the crop menu to left, click over to expand. I can choose to do a freeform expand, choose the whole page, or A1 aspect ratio. But for this, I want to just expand my whole page. So I'm going to select that and click Expand. So it's used its AI magic to expand my photo. And we have got 4 different options here on the left that I can click through to see which one looks the most natural. And whichever one I'm happy with, I can stick with and click Done. If you don't like these results, so you can click on Generate New Results and it will generate new images. Alright, the next feature we're going to look at is one that's really awesome because it allows you to change and generate a unique background for a photo. We're probably all familiar with Canvas Background Remover at this point, but this one takes it a step further to let you generate your own unique background out of just whatever you're imagining. So, here I've got an example photo. I'm going to click on that and then choose the Edit option. And over on the Tool menu to the left, you can see where it says Background Generator in the Magic Studio. So, we're going to click on Background Generator and then give it a prompt describing the scene, mood, or the lighting that we're imagining. So, for this one, we've got this photo. You can write your own command here and then generate the background, Or you can take idea from ChatGPT or another AI tool. Here, I pasted the command which is written by ChatGPT. I did a little bit modification in the command like as I wanted it, and then click on Generate. And here, it's given me 4 options that I can click through to see which one I like the most. I think all of these look really cool. So, let's say I want to check this one. This one looked more natural and professional. Now we can download the image. If you're finding this useful, please like the video and subscribe for more Canva tips. Alright, next up is one of my absolute favorites. This one's going to allow us to add some fun textures to our designs. So, let's apply some of these textures to our design. Let's say I have this design. In this Canva hack, we will apply a texture on top of the design. For this, we have taken a design and we will select the image. Then, from the toolbar, click on Edit on left side, scroll down, and go to the apps. And here we will select Texture. Inside the Texture app, there are many options available. As we can see, there is paper, paint, VHS, grit, film grain, light fabric, and many more. You can explore these options yourself and check them in detail. For sake of this tutorial, we will select the Mystic Grain texture. And it has been applied on top of the design. As you can see the image, now from here, you can zoom the texture, increase or decrease its size. You can rotate it to different angles. Using the rotation option, and here you can also adjust the opacity by increasing or decreasing it from this bar after applying different options, and once you find the one you like, click on Save and it will be applied to your design. This way, your design will appear with a completely new look. As you can see here, are many textures available. This one is a paper texture. In paper textures, worn paper is very commonly used. For this image, here we will use the crumpled paper texture. From here, you can play around with the settings. Once you like a design, save it and download it. Let's have a look to worn paper texture. The image seems like folded. Let's try another image with neon splatter texture. Select neon splatter. Let's see how it looks. When applied to this design, we can play with these settings. When the image seems all right, then click on Save button, and it will automatically save to your upload folder. You can apply different textures to your design, and once you find the one you like, apply it. Let's move on to our next feature, which is the Guides view. If you're finding that you're having trouble lining things up, positioning things correctly inside your project, this one plays a very powerful role in designing. With this feature, you can properly align different objects or text on your page, both vertically and horizontally, using guides. You can turn these guides on from the settings. From the Canva menu, click on File. Now in the settings, click on Add Guides. As you can see here, different options available: 12 columns, 3 columns, and a 3x3 grid. If you go to Custom, you can add guides according to your own needs. For example, you can choose how many columns and rows you want, enter the values, and click on Add Guides, and they will be added to your project. But for this tutorial, we will use the 3x3 grid. Now, whatever object you want to add, whether it's text or an element, here I've taken a graphic image, and now we will align it properly with the help of these guides. As you can see, we can easily align vertically or horizontally the object within the guidelines. This way, you can bring all your elements onto the page and align them perfectly. Once your design is complete, if you want to remove the guides, go back to File, then Settings, and click on Clear Guides, and they will be removed from page. If you're finding this useful, please like the video and subscribe for more Canva tips. Okay, now we've reached my favorite feature for today, which is Canva's Color Wheel. I'll put the link in the description below. This is a very helpful tool, especially when you're not sure which colors to use. Whether you're choosing colors for your brand or for digital products, this tool helps you find colors that look great together. To use the color wheel, the first thing you need to do is choose the main color you want to start with. From here, you can easily choose beautiful gradient color combinations, as you can see different harmony options available. This one is complementary, another monochromatic, and analogous. There are multiple options to choose from. You can select any option that fits your design. If you don't like a color, you can adjust it directly from the color wheel. Just drag it with your mouse like this, and as you see a live preview of the applied color in the background. This way, you easily select the perfect color combination for your project. From here, you can also copy the color codes and use them in your design. Now, once the color combination is ready, you can export it using Export Palette. But here, I am going to select Create a Graphic, and this takes us to Canva's home page. Now, you can see that Canva automatically displays designs based on the gradient color wheel we created. If you want, you can search for designs based on your preferred platform, such as Instagram, Facebook. So here from the Category section, you select the design type you want, for example, Instagram now. When you select any Instagram post design, the same color palette is already applied if you click on All Filters. You customize the format from the left side, such as Square, Portrait, and other formats. You can also choose a style. For example, Minimalist, you can filter by language. Theme, features, subject, or topic everything is available here. So now, you simply select any design you like and customize it for your project. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. See you in the next video.